Welcome to an EVA Check-in tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style your EVA Check-in kiosk. Once you've logged into your EVA Check-in account, go to your site information menu. Click Options and navigate to your Theme tab. Here, you'll see your check-in logo, which you can view or update, along with some guidelines on the file specifications for your logo. Under Kiosk Theme, you have an option to change your color scheme. EVA Check-in has a few preloaded color schemes you can try, or customize the colors to your specific brand. You can modify each color by clicking on the swatch or type in your hex code or RGB. On the right, you'll see the Home Image Upload option. Make sure you've uploaded the image first, then select an uploaded image. You'll also be given guidelines on where to upload your image and the recommended file specifications. Select the Preview Theme button to see your customized kiosk, and once you're happy, click Save and Confirm. Give it a go and style your EVA Check-in kiosk.